Hey everybody, on this video we have a Ford lock. Not sure what kind of Ford it came off of, but it's an HU101 10 cut. A friend of mine sent this to me. He said it's got all 10 wafers in it. Not all of them do. He's already written the code on it, which is 109558, I believe. And not checked it yet, but we'll go ahead and we'll Lishi it, and then we'll just read it here, write down what it says, and I'll run the code through lock codes, and we'll see if we did it correctly and it read accurately. So first things first here, we'll get the tool in there. And I'm going to do this freehand here. This lock is too big to fit in my Lishi vise, and I don't feel like digging out my other vise, so we'll just do it freehand. Do this in the field too. If you have trouble picking it on a car, these locks come off pretty easy, and you can freehand it. So first thing we need to do is figure out where the wafers are. So we got 1, 2 going up, which means 3, 4 will be going down, and it's just going to alternate that way through the lock. So I'm going to apply tension to it, and I'll just start up top here. So 1 was springy. Got to click on 2. Got 2 tiny clicks on 5. Click on 6. Click on 9. And feel nothing on 10 here, so just run through the top one more time here. Click on 2 again. Okay, 5 is definitely set, 6 is set, and 9, I don't know if it's set or not, but it's springy, and 10 is springy. So now we'll go ahead and we'll check the bottom here. So I'm going to go to 3. Okay, a nice click on 3. 4 springy. Number 7, nice click on 7 there. Okay, 2 tiny clicks on 8, and it does feel set. So we go and just check these again. So 3 is binding again. So we run back over here and set that again. All right, and back check up top again. So 1 is binding. I'm sorry, 1 is springy. 2 springy, 5, 6, those are definitely set. Okay, all right, now 9 set again, and 10 is still springy. Okay, 7 binding again. All right, there's 7 picked again here. Now the lock is open, so now we can go ahead and try to decode it. And go ahead and just write them down here on my pad, and then we'll run the code. So, okay, so we got, try to get the camera to focus here. All right, so we got a 5, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, and 3, 5. My horrible writing here. And now if we punch the code in that's written on the lock, that should be the bidding that we get, and that was, where did it go? 10958. So 10958. And you're looking for Ford. All right, pull up Ford. And just pull up focus just randomly here. They'll all be the same bidding on it. And the bidding that code pulls up is 5322112335 here. So did decode accurately. And so that's the HU101 10 cut, picking a 10 cut lock. And if anybody has any questions or comments, please put them in the comments. And I guess until next time, we will talk to everybody later.